is right here. Hi guys, what is up? This is Lila. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am bringing you another unboxing video of again another Apple product because quite literally I'm obsessed. But today I'm going to be unboxing the iPad Air 4. I did get it in 64GB and sky blue. If you haven't already seen my iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing video, make sure you go check that out after this video. But we are going to be opening something slightly bigger, as you can tell. The iPad Air 4 also does come in different colour sets and different finishes. So obviously today I'm going to be unboxing the sky blue. They also do come in space grey, green, rose gold and silver, so you also again do have the alternative if you didn't want to pick the blue one, but you never know, I might be able to just win you over with this one. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Let's just get straight into the unboxing. This is so exciting right now. I literally try to make this as satisfying as possible and I just fail every time, but let's give it a go. It is right here. Handle with care, guys. It is so pretty. This colour is amazing, and it's weird because in different lights it actually looks grey, whereas if I turn it here it looks blue, but that looks like space grey. I don't know if it's just me, but blue, space grey. Get the best of both worlds here. But I absolutely love it. It just feels amazing. It fits so nicely with the premium iPhones that Apple have also just brought out with the iPhone 12 models. And I'm absolutely in love. But whilst I power this on, I'm just going to show you guys what's in the box and what you do get. Also, hun, it's on 95%. Are we not supposed to get it 100%? It obviously got used in transit. Let's just pop this little baby on the side gently. Okay, so in the box, of course, you do get designed by Apple in California, of course. And as we open this up, obviously in here, you just get all your standard information packages in here. Obviously your Apple logo stickers here. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of wish they were blue. Like a dark blue would fit so nicely, I reckon. But also, the white works too. We'll make it work. So we've got the information package in there, and also you do get the USB-C cable charge, and you also do get the USB-C power adapter, which I'm absolutely glad they've popped in there because I had an absolute mare when I bought my iPhone 12 Pro Max, because obviously I knew it wouldn't have this in there, but I also thought it would work with one of my old iPhone adapters. However, it didn't. It shocked me. It shocked the world. So I'm glad it's actually come in here. They haven't been cheeky this time. Not this time anyway. So that's what we've got in here. And the power adapter is actually 20 watts, so it will charge a lot quicker too. But that is what we've got in the box. So if we push all of the boring stuff aside, I'm just going to give you an overview of the iPad Air 4. So this is 10.9 inches compared to my 6.7 12 Pro Max, so quite a lot bigger, of course, obvious. And it also does have an LED backlit multi-touch display with IPS technology, which is absolutely amazing. They've just gone with their technology this year, like straight up the ladder. It also does have a fingerprint resistant coating because I'm constantly like with my devices, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, you can kind of see some fingerprints already on there, but you're gonna get that with any screen, guys, so let's just not. But I think the main But I think the main point is at the back, because this is what everyone sees. Like, you're using it, so, and when it's lit up, you literally cannot see a speck. So with the fingerprint resistant coating, it's definitely going to work wonders with my fingers. Again, as mentioned, I did get the 64GB. You do have the alternative of getting the 256GB. However, it does of course come with a price. Apple are not that nice, unfortunately. I did get this to $579. If you do want the 256GB, this does start from $729. So if you're a student, then I probably would recommend the bigger storage, but I'm not a student at the moment, so I don't really need the storage. I'm pretty much just going to be using this for like games, watching movies, of course. I mean, look at that screen. And also I did just get the Wi-Fi enabled connectivity, which obviously again started at $579. But if you do want Wi-Fi and cellular, this is £709. Again, that wasn't really a breaking point for me. I'm happy with just Wi-Fi because I probably won't be taking this out and about like I would with my phone. So that's exactly why I got the 64GB with the Wi-Fi connectivity. And I also did actually get this from Currys. I literally do all of my orders from Currys. I'm not quite sure why, but Apple do have a very good deal going on. They actually do let you personalize it up here. So if you wanted your name or your phone number, you do have that option only on Apple. So if you did want your name engraved, I mean, for me, for selling purposes in the future, I personally wasn't engaged with that. However, it would be such a cute Christmas present. Imagine getting your friends, your sisters, your mum's name engraved or with their phone number. It would just give it that extra personalized touch, which also I love, and I love how Apple have stepped the mark up using that. So I'm just going to go ahead and set this up. So I'm going to select my language, United Kingdom. Set up manually, data and privacy, continue. Touch ID, which I love. So this is actually located at the top here. Capture all your fingerprint. I'm not gonna lie, this is a very long process. Added, continue. I'll set this up later so I'm not boring you guys. I'm just going to set all of this up later. And I'm going to see with True Tone display. Okay, so here's what it looks like, and if you swipe to the left, obviously you can see anything that you probably find on your iPhone as well. And obviously you've got all of your apps here, which again you can customize to your own liking, which I will probably do and do another video on it. And if you swipe down lightly here, you can see Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, flight mode, and all of that kind of thing there, as well as your brightness if you want to turn it up or down. I kind of like it like here. And then volume as well, depending on what you're listening to. And obviously camera. Let's talk about the camera. So I'm not sure if you guys can see. There's my iMac here. The camera is actually a lot better than I thought on it. Let's come out of here. So it's really quick, really easy to use. Obviously you just have the similar features as you would on your iPhone. And obviously you've just got your main tab down the bottom with your little bits and bobs in there too. Okay, so that is just a very quick overview of what the iPad Air 4 consists of within. And I'm not gonna lie, based on first impressions, I'm super impressed with the device itself. Apple have definitely stepped up to the mark, and they've definitely kept with a more premium outlook as to their iPhone 12 models that have also launched this year. And also, as you can see, they've also kept the CE mark on the back, which the iPhone 12 models do not have, and they are based on the side of the iPhone 12 models. Apple tried to be sneaky. They tried to pretend that we wouldn't notice, and good old Lila over here, she noticed, of course. And yeah, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm absolutely loving Apple's lineup this year. It definitely kept us engaged with all the different launch dates, all the different, oh, it's coming, oh, you gotta wait a couple more days or months. And I feel like that's definitely led to some good old devices. So I'm super impressed. It's actually also very quick. I actually do think it's quicker than my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and it also does come with the A14 chip. I'm actually going to do a test because I actually do feel like it is quicker than my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and that'll be slightly concerning. So I'm hoping you guys can see both. I'm literally just going to go. It is that little bit quicker. And something I absolutely love is that it just looks like the iPad Air 4 has just had a baby. And it's so funny and ironic because a lot of people say how big or how too big the iPhone 12 Pro Max is, but when you slot it next to the iPad Air 4, I know it's not a phone, guys, but it literally looks like the mini. It looks so cute and adorable, and I just love how it literally looks like a little family. And talking about family, I've also done an unboxing video for my iMac. Again, another Apple product. I'm slightly obsessed. You wouldn't even believe that 3 years ago I was completely solely Samsung, and I've quite literally converted, but I think it's took a toll on me because I'm absolutely obsessed. And also, so I am going to be dropping my iMac unboxing probably some point next week, so make sure you keep engaged for that. And I will also be doing a 1 week review or a day in the life with my iPad Air 4, just to show you guys the real deal, if there's any change in thought, what I think. You know what, it's not quite worth it, but that is it. That is everything based on my first impressions. I absolutely love it and can't wait to use it. Subscribe to keep on top of my following videos of my iPad Air 4, as I'd love to give you guys as much insight as possible, but that was just a basic unboxing and overview based on first impressions. Hope you guys enjoyed and found it useful. Let me know if you're thinking of getting the iPad Air 4 or it's just trickling away in the post right now, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!